Hello Telegram users, want to add an extra layer of security to your account? In just few taps, I'll show you how to change your Telegram password. Let's go. First, open Telegram and tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Now go to Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and tap on Two-Step Verification. Here, you will see an option to set a password. If you already have one, tap Change Password. Enter your new password and confirm it. You may also need to set a recovery email. This is important in case you forget your password. How secure is your Telegram account? Do you use two-step verification? Let me know in the comments below. Once done, your new password is set and your account is more secure. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.